If you have a dog, you probably know the frustration. You spend hours watering, mowing, and nurturing a lush green yard, only to watch your pup turn it into a patchy yellow minefield. Dog urine is packed with concentrated nitrogen and unbalanced pH levels that literally burn grass down to the root. Reseeding and spraying chemical lawn treatments only mask the symptom, without fixing the actual source, your dog's digestive and urinary balance. You love your dog, but absolute hate those ugly yellow burn spots ruining your grass. Don't waste hundreds on reseeding and harsh yard sprays. They don't work because they don't fix the root cause, high nitrogen and unbalanced pH in your dog's urine. Meet Carmelie Green Lawn Dog Chews, the simple daily treat that neutralizes lawn burn from the inside out. Formulated with DL-methionine, cranberry extract, and apple cider vinegar. Carmelie safely balances your dog's urine pH and reduces nitrogen buildup. That means no more grass burns, just a vibrant green yard all season long. Better yet, it supports your dog's bladder and urinary tract health while they eat it like a treat. Packed with delicious chicken flavor, 0 artificial additives, and 200 chews per jar for long-lasting protection. Protect your lawn and your dog's health today. Click the link below to get your jar of Carmelie Green Lawn Chews now.